Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries today. It is Monday, August the 7th. Thanks for joining us here. We have sent out our Market Insider weekly newsletter to our clients and our subscribers already last night, and they've had that in their email box. You can also go to our website and read the newsletter. It's 14 pages. It covers all the fundamentals, technicals of the grain and livestock markets, all kinds of news that you need to know as far as stories on market moving issues that relate to agriculture. And if you don't have a copy of this newsletter, I think you're really missing out. We dive into all the things that have affected the market over the last week and what is coming up in the weeks ahead that will move the grains and livestock markets. We also look at the Commitment Traders Report each and every week and highlight which markets are set up to either have a big move to the upside or a big move to the downside. So if you're a producer of any of these grains or livestock, we really suggest you get you can get a complimentary subscription for the rest of August. You can do that and try it out, see if it's something that you like. But it's a great newsletter, great read. If you only have time to look at something once a week, this is the newsletter that you need to look at. We also have our daily newsletter and our speculative newsletter that comes out every day. You can get copies of those as included in this free trial. We are seeing a little bounce here in the grains overnight. We expect we're going to see additional buying interest come into the grain markets ahead of Thursday's reports. The uncertainty about the corn yields is abounding and giving us some strength. We're bouncing off of technical support in both the corn and the soybeans, and that strength here is why we're seeing a little short covering ahead of Thursday's report. The average trade guess looks for a yield to drop of about 5 bushels an acre in the corn, but the uncertainty whether we're going to see more of a drop than that is what's given us the short covering as the trade is starting to factor in a 165 yield, and that's reflective in our prices where we're at today. Wheat's also a little higher, kind of a follower's role. Soybeans stronger as well. A lot of rain in the last week or so around the Midwest, but key portions of Iowa, the #1 corn and soybean producing state, have been missed for the most part. And to the most part, those yields are going to be affected where these dry areas persist along the northern corridor, northwest Iowa, central Iowa, some of these areas north of Des Moines really starting to suffer. All right, livestock trade looks to see a little bit of weakness of both the cattle and the hogs. I don't think you'll see any major moves here as the news isn't out to really give us any pushes here, but a lower opening I think is certainly warranted in both of those markets. All right, we'll sign off here, but have a great day, good luck, and good trading. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets.